Hello guys, today I'm just very quickly going to explain how to set up an Autoexec, or config as they're also known. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's basically somewhere for you to save your settings and your binds for the game, so that every time you boot the game, this all gets loaded, so your binds stay in place, your settings stay the same, and it's just very convenient to have. The easiest way to create one would be to open your notepad. You then paste whatever binds and settings you want in here. You then go to save it. You go to C drive, you go to Program Files x86, go to Steam Apps, go to Common, go to Counter-Strike Global Offensive, which is a little bit counterintuitive. You'd go to Game, be careful not to go to CSGO already in the Counter-Strike Global Offensive folder. You would go to Game, and then you'd go to CSGO. At this point, you open the CFG folder. This is where it's going to be saved. So now you can go ahead and save it. I'm just going to call it Auto. Close that file, open the folder that we just saved it in. I can immediately have it open here. At this point, you want to go ahead and click View and make sure you have this box right here checked, File Name Extensions. That's going to enable us to basically change the format of the file by renaming it. So at this point, you can put, so you'd call it Auto and then .cfg. Hit Enter. Windows is going to come up with this prompt. You can say yes, nothing bad is going to happen with that. At this point, the file is ready to be loaded by CS2. In order for CS2 to load the file, we have to tell it so. Here we go into Library, CS2, right click on CS2, you open Properties, you go to General, you go to Launch Options, and then you put plus EXEC, so exec space, and then whatever you named the file. So in this case, we named the file Auto. Now you can go ahead and close that, and then anytime you boot the game at this point, everything is going to be loaded. Now to edit, if like let's say you want to put something additional into your Autoexec at some point, you would you can go in here where the file is saved. You can change this back to .txt. Say yes to this again. Now you can open it, change it, save it, close it, and then you'd rename it back to CFG. So for the file to work, it always has to be a CFG file. Now, there's one other way to go about editing it, is you can go and download this, go to this website, and then you download this, whatever the newest version is of Notepad++, and then instead, so I already have that installed, instead what you could do then to edit it, you right click, edit with Notepad++, and then here you can just change, you can hit save, and close, and it's good to go. You don't have to change the file name. So that's basically going to do it for the video, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you feel like this was helpful at all, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. Thank you guys for watching.